Hey everyone, I'm Tim with True Green. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest frustrations for homeowners, weeds. Not only do they steal nutrients and water from your grass, but they can also ruin your lawn's appearance. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of how to get rid of weeds in grass, from identifying them to choosing the right products to avoiding common mistakes. When it comes to weed control for lawns, there are two main strategies: pre-emergent and post-emergent. Pre-emergents stop weeds before they sprout, while post-emergents take care of weeds that are already growing. Timing is everything. Getting it right makes the difference between a healthy lawn and one that's full of weeds. Make sure you apply pre-emergents before soil temperatures rise and weeds have a chance to germinate. Depending on your grass type and where you live, this could be early spring or during the fall. Post-emergents work best when weeds are actively growing, not during drought or extreme heat. You'll also want the right equipment, like spreaders for granules, sprayers for liquids, and protective gear to keep you safe while you work. Not all weeds are the same, and some are more difficult to control than others. Knowing what you're up against is key. Broadleaf weeds like dandelions and clover look very different from grassy weeds like crabgrass. Correct identification matters because different products target different types of weeds. Once you've identified your weeds, it's time to pick the right product. Pre-emergents come in both granule and liquid form, and they stop weeds before they sprout. Selective herbicides are designed to target specific weeds after they appear without harming your grass. Safety always comes first. Always read and follow the label instructions and keep products away from kids, pets, and water sources. When applying, make sure to spread or spray evenly and water in the product if required. Don't over-apply, don't spray on windy days, and never mix products that aren't meant to go together. Another mistake is waiting too long to act. A few small weeds can quickly become a lawn full of weeds, and using the wrong product can cause serious damage, like killing patches of your grass along with the weeds. Now, DIY weed control can absolutely work, but it takes the right products, equipment, timing, and consistency. That's where the True Green team can really make life easier. Our experts identify weeds, apply the right treatments at the right time using tailored recipes, and handle the products and equipment so you don't have to. Plus, we build a long-term prevention plan and provide you with tips and best practices so your lawn stays healthier and greener season after season. So whether you want to tackle the weeds yourself or let the pros handle it, the key is knowledge, timing, and consistency. If you want a lush, weed-free lawn without the hassle, contact True Green today. We'd love to help you get there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more lawn care advice.